In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watch list on Finviz. By the end, you'll know how to filter for interesting stocks and save them so you can keep an eye on them all in one place. First, open your web browser and go to https://finviz.com. When the page loads, take a second to notice the top navigation bar. That's where almost everything you need lives. At the top right, click Login. Being logged in is important because it lets Finviz remember the stocks you add, so your list is there the next time you visit. Next, go to the screener by clicking Screener in the top menu. The screener is where you'll set the criteria that narrow thousands of symbols down to a manageable list. You can set filters like price, volume, and sector. Think about your goals. Maybe you want lower-priced stocks with higher trading activity, or perhaps you're focusing on a particular industry. Start broad if you're unsure, then tighten the filters to refine the results. As the results update, scroll through the table to find the stocks you want to watch. You'll see tickers, company names, and several key metrics. If something catches your eye, click the ticker or name to open its detailed page. This gives you more context, including charts and additional data, which can help confirm whether you want to track it. Once you're viewing a stock, whether from the screener list or its detail page, look for the Add to Portfolio button. Click Add to Portfolio. This is the action that places the stock on your watch list within Finviz. If you're analyzing several ideas, keep this tab open so you can bounce back to the screener and repeat the process. Repeat this for each stock you want to include in your watch list. It's a good habit to add only the symbols you genuinely plan to follow, so the list stays focused. You can always come back to the screener later to adjust filters and discover more candidates. When you're ready to review everything you've saved, go to the top menu and click Portfolio. This is where Finviz displays your watch list. Here, you'll see the tickers you added and a consolidated view that helps you monitor them at a glance. The Portfolio section on Finviz essentially acts as your watch list, letting you return any time to check prices and keep your research organized. That's it. Head to finviz.com, log in, use the screener to filter by price, volume, and sector. Add the stocks you like with Add to Portfolio, then view them all under Portfolio. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, actionable watch list ready to go.